Yeah, hi friends, how are you? Uh, my name is Mike, and soon Preeti will join us for the discussion about. Uh, Yesterday we have discussed about the strategy, and once you join, we will continue the discussion at the time. But at this moment, I will let you know anybody who wants to join our stream and tell about their trading journey. Join our stream as well. They can send us a message in the chat, and we will see who is the lucky winner by the end of the stream and give them a 100K instant account from CFL. Top. Uh, Thank you very much. And I would like to share that I started this Sexto trading account last in January 24th. I started with 6,300 USD, and the account grew up to $10,156 roughly there. And then I did some mistakes. My account lost some money, and the account is back to 6,400, which almost is the capital where I started. So let's see by end of March whether I'm able to continue making more profits or the account will decrease, because I will do my level best not that the account balance should go below the original deposit, so that I can at least maintain the capital, which is very important. And then I will try to also consistently make money, which is also very important as a trader. That if we are trading, we should be able to make and generate money. So let's follow this journey for the next few months and see if I'm able to grow this account to some nice and bigger levels. All right. Let's now see what time Preeti can join us. Maybe she's in the traffic. Sometimes she's going back from her work to studio from where she is discussing with all of us. Let's hope for the best. Right now, I'm looking at my Sexo account, and I just closed one of the trade recently. There were some profits, but overall the day was not a good day because I started at 6.9. Actually, few times I saw the profits, but I was hoping the market will continue the direction of that trade. There was quite good, significant profits few times a day, but I missed that. Some were break even, some become losses. And the end of the day, the market was a bit range up and down and up, and I did mistakes as well. Going in a smaller time frame and opening the trade with the direction of the smaller time frame trend, and that ends up to be a stop loss, and I was losing money each time I did a mistake. You can say trade was calculated actually, and it hit the stop loss. I had to close the loss. So we can say it's a mistake or not a mistake. It's a calculative risk which I took, and I cut the losses. I never folded. All the trades today I go in as per the signals, but definitely somewhere on the smaller time frame. That's why number of trades hit stop loss. Oh, Preeti sent already message. She's joining soon. So see what time she joins us, and, then we'll discuss about her today trading, because she's trading with the fibers. She is CFL COO, but she definitely was trading before even she joined us. Trading account with the fibers, and hopefully she once she pass, she will share her journey, how she did pass, or if she get the payouts, how she get the payouts, or if she get any sort of issues, she will discuss everything on live discussion. So cross the fingers and let's see how her journey with the fibers goes. We wish her a luck because we are not a prop firm which will say that, oh no, you cannot trade with them. No, you can trade with any prop firm as long as they are giving the payouts. Uh, you can trade. She sent a message. She's sending soon. Let's cross the fingers. Okay, let's see if there is any sort of movement in the chart. Okay, market is in a bit range again. You can see it's moving up downwards moving, but eventually is what I'm thinking. Market can go and touch 47 somewhere 35. So we do need to be. Hi Preeti, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm very, very fine. How about you? How was your day today?
Was great.
Oh, that's very good. So it means you booked some good profits.
No, I did not actually trade,
Oh, no worries then. Oh,
but
then
it
good.
was good like otherwise.
Otherwise, all right, that's very good.
I'm still
And
like looking for a good trading setup right now.
no, I have a trade in the morning. It was a good setup. I didn't close the profit. I was hoping it will go quite low, but it goes up, and I got into break even twice or thrice. And then some trades, rather than closing on break even, I have to close on losses. And recently, I was having a buy trade, and I closed on a profit, and that's it. And how is
Wow.
you are holding a trade?
Sorry?
Are you holding a trade today or no?
No, not right now.
Oh, no worries. If there is a signal, you can go into the trade and share your journey. So,
Yeah.
yesterday I discussed about the strategy. Did you try a little bit practice, or do you have a time to practice? Because I know you are very busy. Did you have a time to practice for that?
I did not have that indicator actually. So that's why I asked you the name of the indicator. So you said that it's not available.
No, really, it's not available. If it is available, I will let you know. It's not. I created myself. I'm telling you because I have seen a lot of indicators. What I am creating is all based on maths and logics and filters. That indicators I never saw in the market. So no worries. What I will do is I will send the exe file to you, so you can try them and see if you understand it.
Okay.
Yeah, but
I did practice on that Bollinger Band strategy that you shared earlier.
yes.
Yeah,
How was that?
it was great. It was
Oh,
great.
that's very good. So did you find good setups?
I know I have not traded on it yet, but I was just back testing it at, and I still have to like get my hands on it better,
Yeah, understood.
and then
Yeah,
maybe.
anything if you practice, it's not like so easy that you can immediately get through it. You have to practice it.
Exactly.
Yeah, very true. Very, very true.
Yeah. So you're only trading gold with this Sexo account that you're sharing on the live.
No, I do have a IBKR account. That is the company pool account, which is done by the EA trading. I told you previously as well, which I don't go and touch manually because manually still human error, human emotion come, and we do mistakes. EA don't do mistakes. Yes, there are losses, there are profit, but it's consistent and very much lower risk than what I'm doing in Sexo. Sexo account I open on a personal name, and I would like to share that on the live screen so that people can understand how with the small account, how taking like the way I am taking risk, even with the small micro lots, you can make so much, and you can go back to the almost capital where I started. You can see in almost 40 days of the journey, from 6,003 it reached to 10,156 and back to 6,003 just few hours ago, and then back to 6,004 now, another $100 added. So in this way, uh, I'm trying to share my opinion with the traders. When I am trading with so small micro lots and market can give and take so much, imagine if you're trading with the bigger lots, how it will do with you. It will definitely give you big, but because of the stress levels, your majority of decisions will go wrong and you might lose a lot of money.
Right.
So that's the answer, and understanding that every trader should trade wisely, carefully, and do not gamble, and learn that trading is something not easy. The way sometimes some people mention that, oh, it's very easy, or we can do this, or we can do that. No, it's not easy. It's really difficult when it comes to especially manually, and especially when you are risking very high. It becomes really difficult. That's what I can share my true opinion. Like sometimes people are showing their accounts and they're showing their wow trading like 50 lots, 100 lots, and they're making a lot of money. But they don't show that they're trading in two demo accounts. One is buy and one is sell. If whichever account is making money, they will share on the screen, see, I made already money. So the other people will, wow, 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 they are making money, wow, wow. But the truth behind is something different. So be careful with this type of people who are showing this type of stats, rather than they go on the live with the real account and share their journey and real profit and losses. Then you will understand whether everybody is really able to generate money every month, or even they can't.
True.
So simple answer, simple logics. Go smartly, go slowly, and trade carefully, and definitely you will earn the money. Just have a patience.
Right.
That's all I will say from my heart to all the traders. Trade carefully, trade wisely, trade smartly. If you're trading with the panic or a rush, you end up losing money, and then you will regret why you traded even. You shouldn't become a trader, because a lot of videos you can see online, a lot of people have lost their lot of hard earned money, and they borrow it as well from the banks or friends or family, and then they lost more money, and that gives them the panic, and they couldn't do anything. Like some of them even suicide because of they have lost a lot of money. So my suggestion is, don't first of all take the loans and trade. Second, if you want to trade, learn the trading first rather than just simply going and doing the trading. Correct? Because if
Yeah.
you have to trade on a demo account, you will know what is the reality. Not with like 100 lots, so I'm making money. Yeah, might that few days you are making money, but when you go in real account, real life trading, the panic starts when you lose your real money. Demo, you don't really lose your money. It's just a demo. So you don't have a pain. You don't have any feelings. You just trade. You leave the trade open as well. After few days, when it goes into profit, see. But when it was in the loss, are you there on the screen to watch that? Or when you have busted the accounts, are you there to see that account? You don't care. Okay, move on, because it's a demo. But when you lose your real money, you will remember each time when you lose, and you move on, and you have a pain, and you will regret, and you will again trade, and again you will lose. So the habit and the gambling systems will really uh, like spoil your life. So simple, step you should follow is first learn the trading by yourself, by other gurus or teachers who really know trading. See first the real results of them, if they really can teach you or not, or you see there's some systems even they are teaching free practice on them and see whether the systems really can do something wonder. But to be very honest, none of the system, none ever is generated that it will be able to generate in all market conditions, and it will be high win rate all the time. Whoever say my system is 90%, it can be today, but after 2 months when the market conditions are different, that 90% can drop to 10-15% as well. So don't be surprised about that. Every system is like designed in this way. No matter what the market when moves and change that direction, change the ways, you will get into the trap. Once you get into the trap, you will lose a lot of money. So how to win this is only one way. I told you, smart risk management and dynamic risk management. That's what my EA is doing right now. Smart risk management and dynamic risk management. It plays with that and one simple strategy, and it's making money slowly, slowly, slowly. Now and then, it's consistently making money. That's the game. If you are trying to make a lot of money, you will end up losing a lot of money. A lot of traders told me, "Oh, you can make a lot of money." I say, "Yes, I have seen a lot of money time to time, but I have also seen, let's say I open $100 account, I make 2,200, and this is the reality. I've done that with a broker, regulated broker from UK, in a month. It was 2,000, like 200 times folds. Like people say, I make $100 to 200 is already 100 folds, 100 times. It was 2,200 times because it was $100 to $2,200, and I take the withdrawal. And then again next month I put 100, I lost it. Again next month put 100, I lost it. And then again next month I put 100. I think so. That month also I lost it, and then following month I make 2,000, somewhere 700, something like that. So overall, in a year, I was able to generate four times, but bigger amounts. But losing was only 100, because once I lose the 100, I know this month my strategy is not working. I was doing similar, same everything what I was doing on the previous month. Then go with the next month. Then I go with the next month. Then I go like this. Few months I lose, then I win straight very big. So the answer is simple. That let me understand. First of all, low risk. Second, big wins. Third, if you are losing and up to certain point you lost, and after that you don't trade, is very good. Something like that. And what kind of strategy I used in that I was able to generate so much hold. I was doing something like people say grid when they open buy and sell. But I will say I was not doing a grid like that. I was doing a grid in the direction of the trend. If the trend moves in your favor and you are adding up the trades on a certain levels, and then you smartly manage them, that if grid means like the market falls back, you don't get out in the losses, you get out on small profits, not even on break even, small profits. That's what the grid I had designed, and I was working with it. And when there was a big movement of a trend, like last week, when the gold was falling, when it falls, let's say in 2 weeks, almost $1,000, which is uh, 10,000 pips, correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
So in that kind of movement, if you are using even $100 and the grid with the trend, and you go with the right way and you compound it until whenever the new profits add, you add like zero point 0.1 micro, zero point 0.1 micro, zero point 0.1 micro. So end up adding up like quite number of trades, and with the trend, when you end up with the trend with the full flow, like 700 pips or 800 pips, you really make 2,000 or $3,000 even out of it. So that's what one of the system I was using, and I use it. But I understand that this is not the system which is good for a bigger account. This is not the system which is good for a regular consistent trader. It is just like, okay, I have a luck, trend is there, I am trading with the system, and I'm making money. But yes, if somebody wants to, let's say, risk 1,200 in 12 months and using this strategy, one time I will teach that well as well. So you can understand the moment the month you lose $100, you will not trade again. Then go with the next month, because if you check carefully, in 1 year there is always 3 to 4 months very good trends. So that month you will really make good money with this, really good money. And rest of the balance 8 months you will be the loser. But you lose 800, but in that 4 months you will be able to generate, like if you really catch the proper trend, proper way, the way I will teach the system, you will be able to generate like in a year $8 to $10,000 in 1 year with that $100 a month risk. And what will happen now? You risk 1,200, you have in your pocket almost $8 to $10,000 after losses also. So what I will say is a win for you, no matter what. Correct or not?
Yeah.
But if you say,
And
oh, I
like
will, yeah,
and like if you keep trying those things when they're like the markets are not trendy, you lose those profits as well. So it's really important to stop there, right?
uh, the answer is trader cannot stop. Like when you are driving a car on a highway, you cannot stop in just in the middle. Correct? Even though there is a jam, you have to go slow, but you cannot say, I quit, I will not drive for next 1 month. I will sit on the roadside. Same is trading. It's a habit, it's an addiction. Even if you say, oh, you can quit, but you will be trading now and then, time to time, you will be looking at the chart, and when you see a nice setup, you will definitely go into the trade, correct?
Yeah.
Whether hits or profit is different issue. So same goes to trader. Some people are too much addicted for a lot of trading. Some people can wait. Like if my trade setup is good and it's making money and I can hold, I will hold it quite long as well. Why? Because if you're holding the trade quite long, you are making good money with that trade, real good money. So that's what I learned in the trading, that if you want to really become a successful trader, you have to follow certain steps. Step number one, trade carefully, low risk, always, so that you shouldn't lose on one trade every. Rule number two, if you can earn the money, earn your money and withdraw. Let's say you think, so I cannot open an account with the broker for $1,000. I can, but what will happen? For $1,000, if I make 20 or 22,000 or 25,000, you will not give the withdrawal. And I'm not talking about Saxo, I'm talking about like a lot of brokers. So to be very careful, I was opening a very small account, testing my strategy on the live, earning the money or losing the money, whatever it was. And I tested. I understand that it works, what I should do and what I shouldn't do. And the key logic here was end of the year I was profitable, not the loser. But this one again, you cannot go with the bigger accounts. You cannot. If you open account of $1,000 and making 20,000 and yearly like 80 to 100,000 from the broker, no, you will not get it. So don't waste your time. A lot of platforms right now, whatever they say, but everywhere, even in the chat GDP, you ask, or do the platform are denying the payouts, and see the result answer. Yes, majority of them. What is happening? Why the traders are losing the faith in the platforms? Payout denials. So all these points are making traders wonder, if the platform is not giving money, why I'm wasting my time and money altogether. So you
Right.
have to, yeah. So you have to be very careful what you're doing, what you have planned, what you have decided for your trading career and your life. How about you? What do you think so about the platforms? Do you heard about that the majority of them are refusing payouts?
I have heard like even like people keep like 10 to 12 prop firms account like from multiple accounts from multiple firms so that even if some firm deny they get the payment from other firms.
But
So
then it's a gambling. You are trying your luck that I'm trading here, I'm trading here, I'm trading. But they do also, traders also do one thing. They know it's a cheap or free giveaway accounts. So what they do is in one company they buy, the other company they sell. One will pass. So if they have 10 accounts here, 10 accounts there, there was a guy who share, I think so 2 years ago, that his pop journey, how he made 2 million. I don't know, but he claimed he earned 2 million from the prop firms. He mentioned this type of something, that he was opening 12 accounts. Out of them, 6 he lose, 6 he pass first level because of this way. And then out of 6, 3 he lose, 3 he pass another round. And in the third round, one even make the home run or two accounts make the home run, he already earned more than what he invested. So that's how he was managing and making. Then he go with the 20 accounts, then 10, then 5. Out of 20 means 10 pass, 10 fail. Out of 10, 5 pass, 5 fail. Now out of 5, 2 to 3 make the home run, which is also very big. Like hold the trade until one account will bust and the other account will definitely make that kind of 5,000, correct?
yeah,
So that's where he invested, let's say $100 on a 20 accounts is 2,000, but in two accounts he earned 5,000, 7,000 something. He make 10, 15. Then he go with more bigger accounts, 100K accounts like this, and then he was making money here and there everywhere. So he earned quite big money in this way. He was not a trader. He himself claimed he just do this smart thing, and he earned the money. So people do wonderful things. That's why the prop firms are saying hidden rule or property trading. They will say that okay, you were trading one account buy, one account sell. That's why we fail your account. There's no proof, but they will put this allegation and they can close the account and ban you as well. So you can't do anything like that. So simple answer is become a real good trader rather than just a gambler or just passing time. Because if you pass your time, trading will eat your time. Because I will not say the names. I met with the people. They are right now in their 70s and 80s. They said they didn't realize how in the trading 25 to 30 years pass already, and they are not still able to find any even system or strategy or any consistent profitable trader in this journey in 25 to 30 years. And these people are from US, UK. They are
oh,
having a big exposure, old already. So they met thousands of traders as well in this journey. So you can understand that I was talking to last time, long time ago, to a coder to get my code done. Then out of curiosity, I asked how many expert advisor he have coded so far. He say 1,800. I say, wow, he's a plus already. I say, okay, that's very big number. I said, did you find a successful strategy? He said, if I found a successful strategy, I will not be coding by now. Imagine now that a successful strategy which can make consistent profits are very rare. Very, very rare people can make them. Like we can say out of 100, 0.01%, not even 1%. 1% are those who make money, not consistent. 0.01% are only consistent, and which is very, very difficult because this market is very, very like designed in the way that nobody can master it, no matter what you do. How many patterns, how many YouTubers show this pattern, that pattern? My friend, what you see, what you want to see. Try to understand the line. What you see, what your brain and eyes want to see. If you put it in the EA and the indicator and then backtest it, you will be shocked. There will be other 100 same trades which will be losing on the same charts, which you will not find with your eyes. You will find only that which hit the profits, because you are looking for that setup which are hitting profit. But the same setup which are hitting the loss, you will not look for them. So that's why I myself created so many strategies and so many indicators, custom EAs, testing them on every time frame, and did every sort of thing to find what is consistent. Nothing. Whoever is telling on the YouTube, they are lying, because they know that trader want to listen this. They want to feel happy. Oh, that this is the one is the holy. I'm going to use it. I will become very rich. No such thing. So your journey, Preeti, in last 2 years, did you find any consistent trader or anybody who is saying they are consistent and they are making a lot of money, or any strategy have you seen?
Um, I've met a few traders who say they are consistent, but like nobody knows the reality. And strategies, of course, they have like they never have 100% win rate.
Yeah, I understand that they never have 100% win rate. Did they show on a live account like the way I am doing? Ask them to do like this. Come on the live account, even with the $100, even with the 0.01 micro or mini micro lots, where the risk is only in cents. Ask them to show, can they able to generate the money on that even? If they are able to for next 6 months, then you can imagine they are consistent. If they are not able
Yeah,
to, then it's all bluff. Because 6 months to 1 year is the period where you will see how the reality is. But I will tell you from my personal experience, none of the trader, when he start trading, will never blow his account. All blow their account. Point number one. Mostly people blow their account within 24 hours, within 1 week. If you push it longer, even month or two, you will never find a traders who will be earning the money and continuously making the money and profits, even though $10, $100 a month, slowly they are consistently they are making yearly 10 to 15%. Even you will never see the trader. You will see only the traders who will blow their accounts, majority of them. So consistency is very important, which you will not find, because trading shows that, oh, if I have went into this trade, I have earned the money. Is that correct?
yeah,
You also think that way, right? Correct?
yeah,
Yeah, that is normal. Every trader think like that. Do you? Oh no! Oh shit! I have been into this trade. I have made so much money, and that guilt and regret, you will go into the next trade forcefully and do mistake. Happens.
yeah. It
Everybody,
happens.
everybody do. Every one of us. I have done that. I will not tell the lie that I never did that. I have also did that mistakes, and that is very common among all the traders that they do this type of mistakes. And when you are trading a lot bigger size, I'm telling you again and again, that doesn't work. I have tried that as well. And when you're trading small, like I'm doing, you really will be able to see the profits, and you will really able to see you are in control of your account and your losses and your profits. If you're booking in time, your systems are good. But if you are trading bigger lots, your own mind will trick you. Example one, your account is $10,000. Let's say it's a prop firm account. Whatever they give 10% drawdown, don't think about that. But the moment you put a bigger lot and the market just move little bit even, and it shows start showing the losses, $50, $100, $200, how the mind start panicking. That's where the mind starts tricking. The moment your mind is panicked, you are out of control in anything. Leave the trading. If you're driving, you get panic. What will happen?
You just mess up
Accident.
driving.
Yeah. Same. When you get angry, what do? You shout, right? You scream. Everybody do that. And what happened at that time? Did you realize your mind shuts down? You don't realize what you're even saying.
Yeah.
Out of anger, you will say a lot of things you don't want to say even. Same goes with the trading. And there was a social experiment done long time ago, not for trading, for just normal people. They were sitting randomly in a place where atmosphere was very like logical, everything was logical thinking. And at the time, a guy came in the room and say, I would like to sell this pen to you. How much would you like to pay? And the person replied, I would like to pay $1. Somebody say 50 cents, somebody say 25 cents, something like that. But they did with the other group, which was like stress, like arguments, like totally like upset group. And when the guy enter in the group and say, I would like to sell this like pen, again same, let's say pen, and it was actually a water bottle. Let's say he's a pen, and somebody was saying it's okay, whatever you want. And somebody say okay, like $10. Somebody say 15. Somebody say 12. Somebody say, like, they were not thinking logical. They were just saying random numbers. So what it shows that when you are relaxed, you think logically and you can calculate what is the value of the product. But when you are stressed or when you're too happy, what do? You just,
You make decisions based on your emotions. Like
yeah,
it's not logical.
yes. Same goes to trading. When people are doing one mistake, you will say, oh, I was not happy or sad, but your trade make you happy inside. How it makes you happy inside? When your trade size is bigger and your losses are now gone up and you close the losses, your mindset get disturbed, correct?
Yeah.
And when your mindset get disturbed, what you will do?
You will keep making more like worse decisions.
Yes. So that's where the problem starts.
Yeah.
So simple logic, simple understanding that whatever you do, don't trade big first of all. Your mindset will get disturbed. And once your mindset is disturbed, oh, everything is disturbed. You will definitely end up losing money, and then you will definitely uh, not feeling good for that moment what you have done, and then definitely the next trade also will go into the same problem, and this will repeatedly on and on and on and correct.
Yeah.
So how to get rid of that is trade small. You are in your control, like driving a car on a speed of 40, 50, or 80 even, you are in control. When you're going 120, 150, 100, 200, it looks wow. I've done that. I drive very high speed because in overseas there are roads you can drive very on a good high speeds. But imagine that now, if you met with an accident, what will happen? Gone.
Yeah.
99% chances you will not be saved. But if you are driving at a speed of 40 or 50, if you met with an accident, if you bang or somebody bangs you at that time, the car gets like accident. What will happen maximum? The car will damage you a little bit. You will have some little bit wounds, not more than that. Correct?
Yeah.
Because you are in control. Same goes in trading. Don't trade what other people are doing. Don't try to gamble. I want to make double every month. That will not happen. Never will happen. And wasting your time, energy, your money, everything. And the main key point in this is your time, which is running out, will never come back. Never, ever will come back. So don't waste your time. What you will get is at the end of the day, like I was talking to that person in USA. She say, Mike, I tell you, time flies. I didn't realize how 25 years plus is already gone. I didn't realize. I was thinking, I get the system now. I didn't get the system. So what it shows to us that the trading is not easy. What we should do is learn it rather than doing trial and errors. If somebody really know, and then test it, and then go live, and then start making your money. That also is very important because if you are making money, that's where is the main like steps of the trading. A consistent trader who makes a lot of money. I met online with a family. They were from Europe. The whole family was involved in trading. The whole family.
Wow.
Yeah, and they were making around $2 to $3 million, which is Indian 20 to 30 CR, like around 30 CR every month. Means 1 CR a day.
Wow.
Yeah. So what they did, they find the edge, they trade, they all keep an eye because one person cannot trade for 18-20 hours. He will start doing mistakes like me. But if you have a group of people or a family who is like, okay, 8 hours, I will do duty, 8 hours, I will do 8 hours, 8 hours. It's like 6 6 hours or 8 8 hours, something like that. And then all are focused and really doing the trading at that moment, not like, okay, I'm doing trading, but on the other hand, you're watching movie and the account is gone. No, once account is gone, you cannot bring back the money. So they were like doing the smart way and they were making money, non-stop making money every month
Wow.
by month by month. So there are people who are making money as well, but very rare. So if you want to be one of them, try to understand what is real trading, not just like passing the time. Passing time is like you will find hundreds of traders, thousands, even millions, for passing their time very happily. They are very happy. Wow, that what they are doing is good for them. And if they earn some money, they want to go and do the party. That, oh, I earned today already $500. Let's party. But that is nothing. That is actually
Have you
nothing.
done that like yourself in ever like in your um youth or something like that? Or maybe you have always been like this?
I'm always focused on my work. Reason
Wow.
because I did waste my time in the way that I was not focused on this part of the life that I have to achieve like something very big. So I was not that focused long time back ago when I was young, like your age. If I have done that at that time, definitely I have achieved my goals by now, maybe much earlier even. But so it was a waste of time. That's what I always say that. But if you ask me, I go anywhere and pass my time? No, I don't do that. I don't waste my time like that way, like going parties or yeah, family functions was there, but not like just going out with friends or watching movies. Even I never ever run away from school or college without my parents knowing that I'm going somewhere. Wherever I have to go, I will first tell them, can I go? If they yes, then I go, otherwise I don't. I always took the permission from them because they
Wow.
should know what we are doing. If you cannot trust your own parents, then whom you should trust in this life?
True.
True? So become a friend with them, be honest with them, tell them everything very honestly, every single point. I do believe they will understand you more better than if you don't tell them. And always be honest. If you tell the truth, it will hurt maybe at that moment for a while, but throughout your life, you will never have a regret. And point number two, you don't have to make up the story because lies people can forget. The truth you will never forget. True.
Yeah, true.
So that's what my life learning journey of the trading and about the life, that be smart, don't waste your time, learn the trading. If somebody is saying they are consistent, ask them to show their trades because there are a lot of traders. Again, there is a YouTubers, a lot of in India, full of them telling the stories, blah 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 blah. I'm not saying they're wrong. They are trying whatever they are doing, but I tell you, they don't know how to make money, but they're telling that they can make money and telling the people that they can make money. But there is no proof. What they're showing is just demo accounts here and there. Somehow, like the see my this account details, see my this. No, go on live and trade like they will not do that. Majority of them will not. Why they will not do that? Because they don't want to expose themselves, and they just want that people should believe them and give them money and pay the subscriptions or whatever, so they can earn the money. Trader earn or not earn, it's not their head. What I believe we should do is never do that. Everybody earns the money in a hard way, not an easy way. It's very difficult. So never ever cheat people or do something like it hurts them. If you can really teach what you know, teach with the honesty and tell them, look, I've done this with this system in this way, but it's profitable or not. In this period, it was yes, but I never tested after that, or I've tested, it was not profitable. Maybe you can improve in this something. It's up to you. Something like that, you can tell the traders, something like this, you can tell them honestly. Don't tell them the lies. Don't show them the okay, there's the moon. And when they're looking up on the moon, you took their wallet, took their money, and you're disappeared. Like in the joking videos, short videos, you can see the people make a jokes like this, that they will throw the thing up and people are looking up. When they look down, underneath everything is missing. So don't do that with the traders because they also come with a very big hope, uh, with this mindset. They want to earn, they want to become successful, they want to learn something to become successful. Because in this industry, a lot of people are telling a lot of false things, so people don't understand who is telling the truth even or not. So that I understand. Yeah, sure. Because a lot of people scam to other traders, so where the trust is already shaken, people don't understand what to do. So, Preeti, so far I have told you all these things today. What do you think about this? That how the trading should be done? Did you understand?
Yes, I understand
What do you understand? Please, now you tell.
that you should work on things. You should not believe in lies. You should not speak lies in trading, and you should manage your risk. And you have to give your time to trading more than anything.
Yeah, if you really want to become a successful trader, you have to put a lot of effort, not a small effort. You just cannot say that I pay the money, I learn the course, and why it's not working. If it is not working, it's not because of the course, maybe it's because of you are not focused on it. Or you can say that if the trade is working and everything is working, but you're not using the right, correct risk management. Your risk management is too like strong that you are risking very high, like big risks on trades, and you are losing a lot of money. That's where the problem comes, maybe. Correct or not?
Right.
So I will request to all the traders that they should understand the trader's journey. I myself is a trader. Preeti also is a trader. That every trader wants to earn money, including I believe all of you also wants to earn the money. But trading can take away very fast, but giving is very slow. You will say, how it is that possible? If we can lose fast, why we cannot earn fast? Because when we are trying to risk big, mind is not thinking rationally, and you do mistakes and you start losing and losing and losing and non-stop losing, and your account once start going down mathematically, it becomes more difficult even to first recover it. Example how? If you invest 1000 and your account drop to 900, to cover that 100, do you know how much risk you have to take rather than a normal 1% risk? You have to take 1.1 to 1.2% risk on each trade to cover that first. You would say, how is that possible? Because where you are risking R2 or 1 is to 1 was my risk is, let's say, $10, I'm earning $10. Now your risk should be like $11 to earn 11 reason, because now your account has dropped to 900, not now 1000. And your risk of that as the 10% is now $9. So if you are earning $9, let's say you risk $9 each time and earn $9 each time, out of 1 is to 1, and then you cannot cover it in 10 trades, which you lose in 10 trades. Actually, you will lose in 10 trades more than 100 if you are risking $10. But why? Your spread, your commission, your swaps sometimes, and then slippage of the market altogether minus and plus, you will lose $125. But to earn back, even though you earn on each trade $10, you minus your commissions, then you minus your swaps, or you minus the slippage, you will earn like 75 to $80. You are still not break even after losing 10 and winning 10. Can you imagine? Means overall, you are not at break even, even 10 is 10 winner, 10 loser. So the answer is the 50% win rate strategy also will not be able to make the money for you. Do you know
Right.
how much percent strategy should be to make a 10% a month? Traders don't think about that. I tell you, 75% plus win rate should be there to make 10% a month. Yes, that's the hard truth of trading. 75 to 80% win rate, only then you will be able to make 10% plus. Maybe that one also. Some people will be on that place break even. So means out of every 10 trades, you should have a 8 winner if you are risking 1 is to 1 almost. But if you are going with the R2R higher, then what will happen? You will have a lot of small losses, like I am cutting the losses to have that one big winner, winning home runs. And if you are in the right time, you hit few home runs, you make big money. Let's say you are risking $10 to make 100. R2 or 1 is to 10. You will not get every time that, because big hits are rare moments. Home runs are rare, but small trades are a lot. But small trades, every time you trade, you risk. Every time you risk. So out of 100, you should have a 75 to 80 trades. You will say, not that, it's not possible. If I am winning 80 trades, how come I am like at 10% win rate? Calculate with your risk management. If you're risking 1%, and if you lost first 20 trades, your account is 20% drawdown, plus commission, plus swap, plus spread gap, plus uh, market, like what we say, slippage. So altogether, your account will be almost 25% drawdown. And now balance left account, you have to now recover the 25%. You when you go into deeper maths, you will understand that it's become more like difficult and impossible. That's where I was saying always, a smart risk management and a dynamic risk management both combined can only let you able to make money, none other steps. Even with any strategy, that's where you will never find in the market are consistent traders. Where everybody thinks they have the holy grail and they will make the money, but they are all losing. That's where only and only math works. Rest everything, nothing works. Whoever, whatever they are claiming, it doesn't work. Try yourself, you will 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, 10 years in a row, and then you will remember my words. Only these two steps will make you consistent. How it will make you consistent and profitable, even everything you do will not work. Do you have the answer for this? Any thought about that? No.
I've not even like thought of it so deeply.
Okay. Um, let's say on a trade I earn 100, on next trade I earn 90, on next trade following trade I earn 75, because we say 1 is to 1, because sometimes we have to close earlier because market is moving. We cannot say that, okay, I never reach 1 is to 1, I have to cut 1 is to 1, otherwise I will cut the loss. It's better to get out sometime
Yeah,
early, or sometimes slippage when you're closing the market slips even down. Like I was just now, my last trade I was trying to close at 100 something, 112, $115, but when I close it, end up somewhere $87. So I cannot say, oh, why market falls down? Why I have got this slippage? Moment I click the close, and when it was executed, it was already there. What I got. So the answer is simple. Whatever you plan, your plan will never be 100% executed in this market conditions, and that what will happen? Your profits are always sometimes lower, sometimes same 100, or sometimes little bit more than that, but your loss will be 100 plus all the time. Example of 1% of a 10,000 account. Why? $100 loss plus commission plus spread plus swap, if there is any, if you're holding the trade, and plus slippage. So your trades always will be 115, 112, 120 minus, which are losers. And if you are losing 50 times and you are winning 50 times, your total, you will think break even, but you are actually in the loss. So that's where this mathematical logic is 75% will be almost like break even plus above, like you're going 80, 85% when you reach, you will be able to generate 10% like that. That's how the trading is difficult. It looks very beautiful and easy. Everybody imagines that I will make tons of money. I saw that trader, he's saying he make millions. I will also make. Correct? That's what you think, Preeti, right?
yeah.
Everybody thinks like that way. Everyone. Why it's not you? Don't worry. Slowly with the time, you will learn a lot of things with us, and you will understand what is real trading and how to make money consistently. It's not overnight, because you have to understand step by step by step. Everything are in steps. Patience. Always go with the patience. That will reward you very big. A bit tired today, I can see, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry.
Actually, like, I don't know why, but I'm not able to get good sleep. So it's like
Okay.
very
So you are having
achy
this
in my head right now.
for a few days, or you have a issue like that? If you have an issue like that, then I can tell you magnesium glycoside. I will send the wording and the tablet. This is not a medicine, this is a supplement which helps you
Supplement.
sleep. Yeah, I always focus on supplements, not on medicines, and this supplement will help you to go into a very nice peaceful sleep at night, and your whole body will be relaxed and calm. I also ordered recently, because previously I was eating magnesium citrate, which is good, but it was not for peaceful and relaxed sleep, to relax on the whole body, because what we are doing, trading and whole day work, it makes the whole body stressed also, physically, mentally, emotionally. So that tablet will help you to really maintain the best levels of yourself. I'll send you the
I'll,
link, the name, and
yeah,
then you can
take that.
buy it from in India in Amazon.
Thank you.
No worries, and it's not very expensive. It's somewhere like 500, 600 or 700 rupees only.
Oh,
Yeah, and tablets are quite a lot. So we go for 2 to 3 months. I think so, 60 or 90 tablets.
oh,
Okay,
okay,
today please you have to choose among these people. There was another guy, 16 Guardian. So there are three people. The 16 Guardian come in the earlier stream, which I have to close because I have to start this new stream when you come online. So among
okay,
16 Guardian, top, what's the name? Alert and Neil,
okay.
Neil, yeah, all these three among them you can choose one.
So, the criteria today was to type 100K in chat, right?
Yeah, it was like 100K in the chat. The previous guy, 16 Guardian, he put in the chat, and Neil Kant also put in the chat. Top Alert only put very nice. So never mind. Among three of them, you can choose any. Your choice.
Okay, so let's do Neil and
Okay, Neil Kant,
Neil
you are
and
lucky
then.
winner today. What you should do, send us a message in the Discord that you are the winner for today. I will write down here as well so that you should know that you are the today's winner. And
And
that's it.
share your CFL dashboard username also, right?
Yeah, that will be great if they have done here. So we will not be having a difficulty like that. Neil,
Yeah.
Neil Kant is today lucky winner for 100K instant account. Send us message in the spot with your username that you are when. Okay, my friend. Congratulations to you.
Congratulations.
Okay, Preeti, thank you very much. I will send you the message in that Telegram, and then you can go ahead and check. And you can read in ChatGPT about that supplement as well, but it gives the benefits. And God bless you that you will definitely have a good sleep, and then you will have good like health and mindset as well.
Thank you, Mike.
Okay, take care. Have a good day. Bye
Okay.
bye.
You too. Bye bye.